Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters.
Être.
To be,
Je suis.
I am,
Tu es.
you are,
Il. Elle. Est.
he, she is,
Nous sommes.
we are,
Vous êtes.
you are,
Ils. Elles sont.
they are. Usage of être. To define nationality. Example:
Nous sommes indiens. Nous sommes indiens.
we are Indians. To define profession. Example:
Il est informaticien. Il est informaticien.
he is a software engineer. To define marital status. Example:
Ils sont mariés. Ils sont mariés.
they are married. To give a description. Example:
Elles sont belles. Elles sont belles.
they are beautiful. Here, L refers to female group. Here are some exercises on être verb. For answers, refer to the description section of YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow us.